Remaining faithful to the motto, a reliable partner, reliable system, High Voltage Electric Network Closed Joint Stock Company over 2 decades plays a leading role in the power system of the Republic of Armenia. The company is one of the main strategic chains in the power system of the Republic of Armenia since its establishment in 1998. In the initial stage of Armenian power industry formation, which was a century ago, the power system as such didn't exist. Only after 25 years of the power plant's construction, the first 22 kV high-voltage transmission line was built in 1928. 10 years later, in 1938, there were commissioned 110 kV high-voltage transmission lines. Afterwards, all Armenian power plants passed to synchronous operational mode, and due to this, the Armenian power system was formed. High Voltage Electric Networks is a utility furnished with up-to-date technology, which complies with the international standards. High Voltage Electric Networks is a company which meets the international criteria and equipped with up-to-date technologies. With a view of increasing the management productivity, recently the administrative and organizational structure of the company has been changed. And today, the company is governed by General Director of HVEN CGSC and 4 directors for each sphere. The company has 8 branches in the whole territory of Armenia. There are Eastern, Western, Northern, Southern, Goris, Zangezur, as well as project branches, and Directorate of the Construction of Energy Facilities. The mentioned branches render the services to 10 regions of the country and its capital, Yerevan. The company has 13 220 kV and 2 110 kV substations. The most important infrastructure of the company is 220 kV Agarak switching point. High voltage transmission lines with the length of 1950 km are spread throughout the territory of the country, including mountainous terrains and plains. Most of these lines are at 2,000 meters above sea level. The transmission line towers are placed even at a height of 27-20 meters. In some cases, especially at high mountains, the span between towers is up to 30-80 meters. In the south, the power system of Armenia is connected to the power system of Islamic Republic of Iran through 220 kV Agarak switching point and Ahar intergovernmental transmission lines. In the north, the power system of Armenia is connected to the power system of Georgia through 220 kV Alaverdi, 110 kV Lalvar and Ninotsminda intergovernmental transmission lines. By the way, the commissioning of 2.6 MW Lori 1 wind power plant, being unique in the whole Caucasus region, was entrusted to High Voltage Electric Networks. In the framework of its function, High Voltage Electric Networks implements the transmission of electric power to distribution network, as well as performs the operation and maintenance of the substation and transmission lines. One of the main functions of the company is the extension and upgrading of 220 kV and 110 kV transmission lines and substations, construction of power facilities and operation of wind farms. During 20 years of activity, the company has been cooperating with the international financial institutions, such as German KfW Bank, World Bank, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, Asian Development Bank, and Export Development Bank of Iran. By these financial institutions' assistance, High Voltage Electric Networks implemented and now implements the network modernization projects. At present, the company implements more than a dozen of large-scale projects by the loan funds and grants provided by the international financial institutions. As a result of these projects, 6 substations and 300-kilometer transmission lines will be rehabilitated, as well as new 400 kV and 500 kV transmission lines with a total length of 380 km will be constructed in the nearest future. Besides, in the northern part of Armenia, a new 1050 MW high-voltage direct current converter station, as well as 500 kV iron substation and 400 kV Detmashen substation will be constructed. In the southern part of Armenia, it is foreseen to construct 400 kV Noravan substation. Since 2000 up to 2013, the company implemented the rehabilitation of Vanadzor 2, Kamo, Alaverdi 2 and Gyumri substations, which meet the international standards and equipped with the state-of-the-art equipment and technologies. All company projects became a reality due to day-to-day work of the staff. Each member of the skilled and experienced staff has its professional contribution to the work done and bears the responsibility for the final results. That's why the company was awarded 2 prizes for meeting the international quality standards in the power system. One is a gold prize for high quality, awarded by National Board of CIS Standards, and the second one is International Trophy for Quality, awarded by Global Trade Leaders Club.